Namaskar. Once again, welcome my students. Now we are going to understand the second lesson of Geography, 10th standard. As you all know, I have explained the first lesson already, and now we are going to enter into the second lesson. Before entering the second lesson, I must say something to you about two nations which are given us by our Maharashtra board. One is Brazil and one is our nation India. There is a comparison between India and Brazil. The comparison on which basis? The comparison on the basis of location, extent, borders, historical background and many more things. But in the second lesson, we are going to understand only the location and extent and historical background of India and Brazil. As we all know, India is the second largest populated country in the world. First one is of course China. We are famous for the trade of spices and condiments. We are exporting spices. We are famous for cricket. We all know Sachin Tendulkar, right? But if we are understanding about Brazil, we must know that Brazil is very much famous for football. It is very much famous. Samba dance is also famous there, and Brazil is called as a coffee pot of the world because the heavy production of quality coffee production is there. Okay, so now we have understood 3 points of each of the nation. Now we are going to understand where they are located. Our nation, India, is a republic country. We have democratic system here. Our capital is Delhi, New Delhi. If we see the map on the second 2.1, map 2.1 on the 10th page, we can easily understand the location and borders of our nation. India is located in the continent of Asia. Basically, Indian plateau is called as a subcontinent because it is very big. We have Bay of Bengal in the east direction. We have Arabian Sea in the west direction, and in the south we have Indian Ocean. At the north we have Himalayas as our natural border. If we all know, India has many neighbors. One is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. All are our neighbors. Now let's understand about Brazil. Brazil is located in the northern hemisphere, but the most of the part is coming under southern hemisphere. This Brazil is ranking third by area in the world, but of course population is very less. It has North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean as a eastern border, and as western border it has Venezuela, Guyana, French Guiana, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay. All these nations are the borders of Brazil. Basically, if we are going to compare both the nations have historical backgrounds. As we all know that Britishers ruled us. Britishers ruled India. We became independent on 15th of August 1947. We fought for that. Many of our freedom fighters sacrificed their life. As well as Brazil has also a historical background. It became independent in the 1822, and from the 1930 to 1985 it was under a populist military government. Now you'll understand that both the nations are very progressive. The major financial contribution in the global economy is a characteristic of both the nations. I think I have explained the lesson and all of you must have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt, please mail me at tejasbsate2020@gmail.com. Please watch this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget subscription. Okay, you can share this video with your friends also. Okay, bye.